Hey food lovers, are you ready to try something truly unique and delicious? Today I'm sharing an incredible recipe by the legendary Tarla Dalal. That's not only tasty but also perfect for your fat loss journey. Yes, you heard that right. We're making a mouth-watering guava sabzi. Guavas aren't just for snacking. They can be transformed into this delightful Indian dish that's packed with vitamins and fiber. It's perfect for vegetarians and anyone looking to spice up their meal plan. Let's dive in. First, grab some fresh, ripe guavas. Dice them into medium-sized chunks and set them aside. Now, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once it's hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Let them sizzle and pop. Next, toss in some finely chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and sauté for another minute. The aromas are already incredible. Time to add the spices: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and a sprinkle of salt. Mix well and let the spices cook for a few seconds. Now add the diced guavas and stir to coat them in the flavorful masala. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want the guavas to be tender but not mushy. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it, a healthy, delicious guava sabzi that's perfect for any meal. Serve it with warm chapatis or steamed rice and enjoy every bite while staying on track with your fat loss goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at The Daily Dose for you for more tasty recipes. See you tomorrow at 7 for another healthy recipe which is quick and easy.